What's up, everybody? Welcome to the channel here. We're starting this off with working on a client's truck who wants to get a Starlight headliner put in his 5th gen mega cab here. And first things first, we're going to start off with getting our personal truck out of the way. So behind me here is going to be the 5th gen Dodge we're getting done here in the next couple days. It'll be a 550 piece Starlight headliner, RGB white, and hopefully it comes along nice.
Don't got a bag down shirt, not a boo, but I got a couple hoes I can switch it up too. Hit from the back, she like damn go ooh, but I had to get a B cause a nigga couldn't pull like what the fuck? Goddamn job, you don't even give a fuck. I ain't never pressed on a nigga, never stressed. Yeah, she got a couple
on both sides. Now I think it's just 2 8mm bolts up here, and then that comes down. We'll be doing good. There we go. Oh yeah, then that just comes down. That up here, there's 2 little tabs. I just realized you gotta push them, and then this will pop down like so. Look at that. If you don't know what you're doing, you can definitely break stuff in these trucks. So here I'll show you these clips I was talking about. Right in there. There's 2 clips down there anyways. Maybe it'll focus. You just push those to the side and that comes down, and then your 2 bolts are right there. Pop these 2 pieces here to get underneath the bolts. And 2, just like so. And these were 10 mils. Pull those out. Those come out. And then this just pops off with a little persuasion. I always feel like they're gonna break, but they never do. Bolts. Figure it out. Oh yeah, baby. Oh, I like it. Looks like that's the cab lights right there. We don't need to touch those. 1, 2. Boom. Looks like a couple more 10 mils. And that's exactly what it is. Tried true old Milwaukee. Son of a bitch. Where the fuck did that go? Black hole, man. She's fucking gone. Hi! So y'all, get rid of this Torx. It's a T45, and there's a little plastic cap you're just gonna pop off here to get this piece off. got the DJI Osmo 3s. Starting to think that if we really get into this YouTube thing, they'll be a really good investment. They look pretty slick for what they are. Nothing to it. Oh, look. So what I'm doing here is I just pulled all this weather stripping around. We'll do it on all 4 doors so the headliner can come down nice and easy. And then we'll see what's going on here. So yeah, this definitely has way more room than the Duramax does. These go so flat. Pull the headrests out. This is gonna sit so low. We're not even gonna have to pull it out. So we got the whole headliner down now. There's wires everywhere. You have to unplug. There's some like plugs in this back corner here, some over there. You got to pull the 3rd brake light to unplug more wires down here. There's pretty well wires everywhere. And then if you pull this panel off here and fish this wire out and undo all these, you can undo the connector so you can drop the headliner, and if you want, you can pull it out or you can leave it in. This mega cab has lots of room, so nothing really we have to worry about. We're probably gonna leave it in. All right, so we got the kit installed and we're starting to push the fibers through. My wife's currently working on the front. And I got all the fibers tucked up in the back here. And it's coming along slowly. Hopefully in the next 8 hours we should be wrapped up. What do you think? You like headliners?
No.
No? You don't want to do 4 more? Yeah?
Anything for you, boo.
We're back on day 2. And we're getting the last 3/4 of the fibers installed. My wife's currently poking all the holes for them. A little update, we got all the fibers in, pulled them through. You hot glue gun the tops. And I trimmed all these just so we had better access when we lay down in here. But it's looking pretty good. And then we'll just finish plugging in the connectors in the back here. Then we'll push it up, connect the 3rd brake light again, put all the hardware up, and then we'll actually wire this to ignition power. Now you take flush cuts and you cut them flush with the roof, and you'll have a nice look.